We can continue exercise 17b. Now we can do question number 6. In a regular pentagon A, B, C, D, E inscribed in a circle, find ratio between angle EDA and angle ADC. That is, we want to find out angle EDA is to angle ADC. O is the center of the circle. A, B, C, D is a regular pentagon. Pentagon means five-sided figure. Regular pentagon, five-sided. So, angle AOB, since it is a pentagon, regular pentagon, central angle will be 360 divided by 5. Regular pentagon means pentagon five-sided figure. So, angle AOB will be, the central angle is the central angle, so it will be 360 divided by 5, which is equal to 72 degree. Same way, angle BOC also will be 72 degree. Then COD also will be 72 degree. Then DOE will be 72 degree and AOE will be 72 degree. That is, sum will be 360 degree. So, each angle will be 72 degree since it is a regular pentagon. Then, look at ADE. First, we want to find out ADE. We want to prove what? ADE is to ADC is equal to. We want to find the value of that. So, for that, look at ADE. 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 This angle we want to find out. ADE. So, ADE we want to find out means, look at AOE. Central angle AOE is 72 degree. So, ADE will be what? 72 divided by 2, that is, angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference, that is, AE is the segment, AOE is 72, then ADE will be 72 divided by 2, which is equal to 36 degree. This angle will be ADE will be 36 degree. ADE can be written as angle EDA also. That only we want to find out. EDA also. ADE is same as EDA. So, ADE is equal to 36 degree. Next, we want to find out ADC. So, for that, consider ADB. 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 ADB is what? That is angle AOB divided by 2. Same reason, angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. Same way, angle BDC is equal to angle BOC divided by 2. Same reason, angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. We want to find out ADC. ADC. ADC means what? ADC is ADB plus BDC. If we are adding these two angles, ADC is the sum of ADB and BDC. So, ADB plus BDC we can write, since we have ADB and BDC we have here. So, ADB plus BDC is equal to angle AOB by 2 plus angle BOC by 2. 2 is common here, so 1 by 2, take it outside. Then half AOB, that is half into within brackets AOB plus BOC. We have proved AOB and BOC as 72 degrees. Since it is a regular pentagon, central angle will be 72. Already we got 72. So, substitute that value 72, 72 here. So, ADB, now we discuss ADB plus BDC is what? ADB, this total angle. Sum of these two will be the total angle, that is ADC. So, this we can write it as ADC. ADC is equal to half into 72 plus 72 is 144. So, cancel it. It will be 72. ADC we got it as 72. Already we got EDA, that is ADE as 36. We want to find the ratio of EDA and ADC. Therefore, E is 2. Which one? Angle EDA is to angle ADC. EDA is what? 36. ADC is what? 72. Cancel this. You will get it as 1:2. Okay. Thank you.